Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the LED module in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a pair of side cutters, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get 12 new LED modules and 24 connectors. The new replacement kit for the LED light module has 12 modules in it. This is one of them. Unfortunately, the manufacturer discontinued making single light module replacements. So in our refrigerator, it's only one light module of this configuration. You will still need to get the whole kit. The light module we are replacing is in the fresh food section on the left side near the bottom. The main reason to replace the LED light module is if it's broken, causing the lights not to work. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To get to the light module, I would like to remove a couple of drawers and the shelves. Straight out, lift up, and remove. Now I'm going to remove these two shelves, lift up and slide out. So this is our LED module that we are replacing. I'm going to use the putty knife and I'm going to slide it here from the bottom, and there's tabs there, so I'm going to squeeze it in and pry it out, and I'm going to continue from the top. Okay. And now we need to press down on this locking tab and disconnect that plug. This is the old LED light module next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to plug it in here. And put the extra harness out of the way and push it in. On average, every fourth LED light module won't be able to get pulled out completely from the cutout. The plug would be formed in between the linings. So in that case, what we do, we're going to use the clips, that connectors that come in the package. We need to cut out the wires as close as possible to the old module. So then we're going to use these connectors and install the new module. I'm using side cutters. I'm going to cut it off. Then I'm going to bring in a new module, and I'm going to snap off this using the same side cutters right there. Then I'm going to bring these connectors and we're going to insert one all the way in like that, and we're going to place another red one in that hole next to it. Alright, then we just going to close that lid on the connector. Make sure that the wires are all the way through. Bring that lid on. I'm going to use the pliers. I'm going to squeeze in that metal bar. Close that lid. I'm going to take another one. Pull the two black wires in. So then the pliers, back to work. Squeeze in the bar. And close the lid. Okay, now we're gonna place it in. Out of the way. And press in the light. And I'm gonna place the shelves back in. And I'm going to install the drawers. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.